For Chapter 3, the researchers will now conduct an experiment for the first time. 5 blocks of cement samples will be created, variation of percentage of recycled aggregates.
One block will be mixed with 0% aggregates, the second with 25%, the third with 50% sample, and the fourth sample with 75%, and another sample with full replacement of recycled aggregates. After doing so, these blocks will be put to test.
After conducting series of tests with the cement blocks, here in Chapter 4, the results of the test will be stated, though it is really possible to replace natural aggregates with recycled aggregates. The researchers also want to find out if the quality of cement will be affected.
The research paper also wants to know if use of recycled aggregates in cement mixtures will make the end product stronger, weaker, or have no effect at all. And of course, the researchers will aim to find out the proper ratio of recycled aggregates to be used in cement mixtures.
After creating cement blocks as samples, putting these samples into test, and gathering of results, here in the Chapter 5, the researchers will further discuss the data collected.
In this part, the findings from Chapter 3 and 4 will be used to answer all of the questions that came up within the time of research and to come up with a conclusion from the whole study. From this point, the papers now finish and the researchers will tell their final explanations about the topic.